The following presentation is a work of fiction, for entertainment purposes only. Any similarities to real-life events and people are purely coincidental. Do not—
Hey, Tom. This is not the real emergency alert system scenario. We are currently speaking about the announcement about David RGD making a new scenario. Just skip to the point.
But I wanted to do this for every EAS-related videos that he made. Also, David RGD left his desk to watch something on TV, but he didn't tell me what did he watch. He was being too secretive from me, even a voice such as you and myself.
My guess is that he may have been watching anime on YouTube TV, or he must have been watching Highschool of the Dead. But Tom, this is not important right now. He said that he'll be back once he finished his favorite episodes and we don't have time to stall. Just skip the warning script and move it to the announcement script.
Fine. The following message is transmitted at the request by David RGD. There is currently no real national emergency at this time. This is an announcement regarding his new EAS scenario, titled Vampire Hunters, is currently in development, and once that he finished making this scenario may or will be released somewhere between June 17th or June 20th. Uploading schedule may vary depending on how long this scenario must make, and his priority was to make quality over quantity. Subscribe to his channel and click on a notification bell, so you may never miss out a new video. All of his EAS scenarios that he made are the result of several EAS creators living in North America, and the content creator would like to thank them for inspiring him, by letting him watching their content for over his years, and knowing that he can make his first ever scenario. End the message.